Hello, Capricorn. Welcome to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed, just cross-watch it in. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you would like to be notified when I post new content, be sure to hit that notification bell. So you can get notified. This is going to be a general reading for Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. This is going to be a love reading. Universal energy, spirit guides, guiding angels. Come through and give me clear and honest messages for Capricorn. What is it that Capricorn needs to know at this time? What is taking place in Capricorn's love life? We have a card that came out, okay? And we have kisses. The song that I'm channeling is I like my kisses down low and my top laid back. See me ride 24. Okay, something like, so it's like a remix. It's like this Kelly Rowland, but this bad boy type of energy. So I feel like you and this person could be like opposites. I don't know. And I feel like this person really likes kissing you. Like they could drive like an old school car. Maybe this person likes to wear like hats. Okay. Someone could have like a drop top. But this person likes, you know, they like your lips. They like giving you kisses. They like, you know, showing you their affection. Okay, this person, you're the best at what you do, is what I'm hearing them say. Like, because I keep hearing that I like my kisses down low. Okay, like they like, you know, 69. And, you know, this is somebody that you bring out the freak in them. Okay, this person is telling me they have a lot of unconditional love for you. Okay, like they got a lot of respect for you, a lot of love for you. And I feel like there's a lot of giving and receiving of affection here with someone Capricorn, okay, or cross watcher. And I feel like somebody could be falling in love, okay? Someone's falling in love. You could have someone wanting to, you know, love you. Like, seriously. Give me clear and honest messages for Capricorn. Clear and honest messages for Capricorn. Oh, wow. We got twin flame at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so this could be your twin flame. Okay? And maybe You and this person could be in a separation right now, all right? But someone feels like they've been stabbed in the back, okay? Currently, I feel like someone feels like they've been stabbed in the back. They feel like, you know, someone wasn't completely honest or transparent about, you know, their intentions, okay? I feel like, you know, there's been some type of pain here, heartbreak, betrayal, all right? But I do still, you know what, that's so crazy because I feel like, honestly, things were good. And then it's like, dang, like all of a sudden, like something just happened. I don't know. Shit just fell apart and someone felt betrayed. Someone got stabbed in the back. You became aware of something. You found something out, okay? You got clarity about something, all right? Something came to light for you, and I feel like you decided to, you know, just go with the flow, adapt to the changes, all right? And I feel like you could be currently healing from this situation where you were stabbed in the back by someone that you were falling in love with. You felt like everything was good. That's the energy I'm getting. Like, you thought everything was fine, and I don't know, in the near future, I do feel like this person is going to express their love for you, okay? But you're being called to watch out, you know, for the signs. See if this person has even changed. For some of you guys, this is your twin flame. And maybe, you know, maybe one person was giving more than the other person was. Or, you know, somebody could have been giving their love and affection to someone else behind your back, okay? Nonetheless, Six of Cups, this person misses you, okay? They're thinking about all the times y'all, you know, were together, you guys were hanging out, you were making love. This person feels like you're very beautiful. They miss you, okay? They miss telling you that they love you, okay? They can't stop thinking about you, okay? And all the love that you used to give them, all the affection that you used to give them, okay? Your time, your energy, your love, okay? They love you, how honest you were, how kind you were. They know that out of everybody you were solid, you had good intentions, and they could trust you. And with this other person, I feel like even though they were, for some of you guys, they were giving someone else their attention, not for everybody. So do not try to make something fit for you that is not fit for you. All right. But if they were with someone else, they constantly were thinking about you. They could have also said your name, called this person your name by accident. This person is just like, yeah. They're stuck on you, okay? And they want to come back, and, you know, this person, they've been thinking about visiting you. They've been thinking about coming to see you, all right? And I feel like if they were dealing with someone else, they're walking away, okay? Because they've been betrayed by this person. And that's why They're like, wow, you know, you were real out of everyone. You were solid. You were kind. You were honest. And, you know, they dealt with someone that was dishonest. They dealt with someone that was not kind. They dealt with someone that did not have good intentions. They could not trust this person. Okay? But with you, they're like, wow, I can't believe that, you know, I walked away from this person to come to this. But it's like what goes around comes around, right? They know that they've gotten their karma, and it's like they're not happy with where they are and with who they're with, and they could have walked away from this person and they want to come back to you. But they're like, they don't know if you have moved on. Okay? Yeah. So this person is just, you know, continues to be silent. Okay? You continue to just be a mystery for them. All right? This person could also smoke black and milds for some of you guys. They could also smoke joints, white papers. I feel like when they get high, they think about you. All right? They be by themselves all the time. They think about you. You know, like, if you got kids, they fell in love with your kids. Like, you know, but there was some type of secret here that this person kept from you. And I feel like you're very intuitive, and, you know, you decided to listen to your intuition and you found things out because you're very aware. You're very in tune with your higher self, very connected to the divine. And I feel like dragonflies are significant as well. Butterflies, you could have seen dragonflies or butterflies, or maybe you have a tattoo of a dragonfly or butterfly. All right. Someone could have like stabbed somebody, or I'm seeing something with a knife. Okay, but I don't know. Somebody could have been contemplating, is what I'm hearing. Contemplating cutting somebody. I don't know, but listen, I feel like you are such a mystery to this person. And this person can't figure you out. They don't know how you know what you know. Okay? And yeah, things came to light. Everything that this person was keeping from you, your inner voice told you. Okay? And I feel like, right, the moon card. Everything that was hidden came to light. You seen it. Your intuition told you. Your spirit guides told you. Your spirit guides don't play about you. All right? Your spirit guides is on this person, especially if you got a grandmother and a grandfather that passed away. They are up there telling you everything. Okay? Queen of Swords, you seen right through this person's BS. Okay? And I feel like you ended the situation. You decided to not take any more of this person's, you know, crap. All right? I feel like you decided to, you made your mind up. All right? And you ended it. Okay? And I felt like this person was devastated. But I feel like you realized that it was time for you to move on. You realized that it was time for you to heal and to engage with new energies, okay? Because I'm hearing these things like, you know what, if you can't change the people around you, change the people around you. You took off the rose-colored glasses here with this person. All right. You got the insights you needed to get, and you moved on. Now, look, we have the Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck. After ending the situation here and walking away, I feel like now this person is, you know, feeling left out in the cold, all right? And, you know, you got new love. I feel like your spirit is rising. You're pouring into yourself. Your cup is overflowing with, you know, love for yourself. You know, you have all this new love for yourself, all this new respect for yourself. You've set boundaries. You got love pouring into your life. Now this person feels left out in the cold, okay? And they want to return, but you've already moved on. Some of you guys are in a new relationship, okay? You could even have had a child, okay? And you could literally fell in love with someone else that gives you more than this person ever did, all right? And I feel like you let go of this person a long time ago, all right? You decided to stop waiting for this person, and I feel like you took your power back, and you know, everything that you wanted with this person, you built with someone else. 10-10. Okay, you got everything you wanted and more, and now this person is jealous because, you know, you freed yourself from them. Now they realize that they're powerless over you. You're happy, and, you know, you have real love, okay? You are with your soulmate right now. For those who are definitely, who have met someone new, all right? Or if you're manifesting new love right now, all right? Doing your, you know, manifestation work or whatever. There's definitely a new relationship here. There's someone new here that you're talking to. And if not, like I said, there's someone new coming in. And whoever this new person is, they're going to, you know, it's going to be equal give and take. This person is going to give to you more than this person ever did. All right. Like I said, you and this person may even, you know, live at a distance, but I feel like you have moved away from a toxic, unhealthy relationship. Maybe you and this person used to fight and argue all the time. Okay, Capricorn? Capricorn, you could have definitely been dealing with a Libra or a Gemini or an Aquarius. You could have also been dealing with a Leo, a Pisces, or maybe even a Scorpio for some of you guys. All right. Well, I do hope that something in this message resonated more for you. I hope something in this message resonated for you. If you guys are looking to book a personal reading with me, you can find my Cash App and my PayPal information in the description box below. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Love and light. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.